In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loan in Wave accounting. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or organizing personal accounts, keeping track of loans efficiently is crucial. Wave accounting offers a straightforward way to ensure your loans are accounted for properly, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Wave accounting dashboard. Once you're there, the first area we need to go to is the chart of accounts. This is where you'll find an overview of your current financial accounts. To get there, look for the Accounting tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select Chart of Accounts. This section will be your go-to place for managing all kinds of financial accounts, including loans. Now, direct your attention to the button labeled Add a New Account, usually positioned at the top right or somewhere quite evident on the page. Clicking this button will lead you to the setup options for adding your loan account. Here you'll encounter a drop-down menu labeled Account Type. Open this drop-down and you'll see various types of accounts you can create. Since we're focusing on setting up a loan account today, scroll down to find the section called Liabilities and Credit Cards. Within this section, you will select Loan and Line of Credit. This classification ensures that the account links to the liability side of your finances, which accurately reflects the nature of a loan. After setting the account type, the next step is to name your loan account. It's helpful to use a name that you'll easily recognize and associate with the particular loan. For instance, you might name it Business Loan, or something more specific if you have multiple loans. Choosing an intuitive and descriptive name will make your financial tracking smoother in the long run. You'll also need to select the currency in which this loan is denominated. For many, this might default to your operating currency, but in case you're dealing with a loan in a different currency, you'll want to adjust this accordingly. This ensures that all financial reports and transactions associated with this account reflect the proper currency values. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review your selections for accuracy. Then, go ahead and click the Save button. This final action will add your new loan account to the chart of accounts. Congratulations! You have successfully added a loan in Wave accounting. By following these steps, you've now ensured that your finances are more organized, giving you the clarity you need to manage liabilities effectively. If you have more loans or accounts to add, simply repeat this process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your financial management process using Wave accounting. Feel free to leave questions or comments below, and happy accounting!